Hello everybody, welcome to a new video.
Hello.
Bueno.
Bueno.
we just leaving the place in.
I don't know the city name.
Yeah, in Germany, somewhere in Germany.
We have to drive because you need to go to the hairdresser. We have an appointment at 1.
Yes, and it's 11:47 now. So I hope we arrive at just on time.
Yes. I think we arrived just on time.
Just on time. And now, this is my breakfast today. Desayuno de campeones.
Free food.
Free food, yes. This is free. With free breakfast. Wow.
There is the hairdresser. We were 9 minutes too late. There was an accident on the highway, so we had to wait a long time. But I think it's now her turn, so it's good. Yes, we have to show you guys where we are, because yesterday I didn't film anything.
Yes.
We were too busy again. We are very busy.
Now we are in Netherlands again, in Stenberg, in the house of this man.
Now we are in my father's house.
Yes, we have to prepare everything for the next trip. Yay! Yes, we have to do a lot of things. Now we are.
I'm going to show you where we are. Or do you want to show them?
No, you can.
Okay, I take you with me. Follow me. We are in a place like never before. We sleep between the other campers. Only for 1 day because we are going to clean the camper tomorrow, so we go outside again. And here I put the Starlink here because we didn't have internet, but I put it back a little bit more because now it's half on the road, so I put it back a little bit more and then I'm going to clean inside and edit the video. So this is our last day before we go. I let the water out of the boiler so it cannot freeze anymore. Pull the plug from the clean water tank. Oh, I need to close this. And then we're going to empty the camper in my mother's house, going to clean the camper. It can use a little cleaning. So that is going to take the whole day. And then at 5:30 I need to go to the barber. And then everything is ready for leaving tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we leave. At 9 o'clock in the morning.
Now we are getting ready to next trip. Are we going to go to buy the last things that we need?
And I need to go 5:30. I need to get my hair cut.
Then yes, I need to do my bag, my suitcase
Yeah.
with all my things that I need.
A lot of work for you.
Yes, I need a lot of work to choose my clothes, my everything. Yeah, we will see. Now is the moment of the truth. We're going to see if he like or don't like again. So this is the result.
Yes.
Phew. Do you like now? Are you happy?
Yes, now I'm happy. We are in my mother's house. We eat and we go to Schiphol. A new trip start today. So in this video you will see where we are going. We eat and we go. We are at Schiphol. You know, welcome to the
Ready to fly. Check in. Ready. Mumbai. Mumbai.
Okay, it's time to board. There's our plane. Our seats, seat number 39 we have. Time to go. 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours until Mumbai.
Have a long travel. We just arrived to Mumbai.
Here we are in India for the first time.
Long line.
We have to hurry because in 1.5 hours our next flight goes.
But I think they have to wait for us because it's the same.
There's our bus that come pick us up. Finally outside. It's nice and warm. Not cold, huh? For the first time. We go from -5 to +25.
Así como tanto, ¿no? Pero
Oh, watch out upstairs. It takes a lot of time. The security takes a lot of time.
it's
5 minutes the flight goes.
30, 50 and check.
Yeah, 5 minutes the flight goes.
Show the border.
3:55.
Yes.
Okay, last turn.
5 minutes to go.
Yeah, on time? Yeah, Bangkok.
Bangkok this side.
Please proceed to the gate number 40, 85A. Indigo Tashkent customer, please proceed to the gate number 85A.
No visa for Bangkok. Visa?
No, don't need.
No need visa for Bangkok.
No. Thank you. Okay. Come on, nice. Come on, no. Finally, we made it. It is 9:30. We are almost there. Flying in Thailand now. 20 minutes we land. We are tired.
Finally, I have to say, if you have to do a connection in Mumbai, don't take that flight. Don't take that flight
Good flight.
to Mumbai.
No.
Don't take that flight. No. Bad experience. Well, we have a small problem. If you are Argentinian like me, you need to do first this. We had to do 2 times the line. So now we are here.
Okay, now we go down and we're going to change euro for Thai baht. And then we go to the hotel. And then we do siesta.
Yes, I'm really tired. You can see my face.
Because today it's New Year's Eve. So we have party tonight. We have a New Year dinner on the rooftop of our hotel. You're going to see it tonight.
Yeah.
Now we're going to walk very fast. If you want to exchange money in Bangkok, you need to go to the basement and then in one of those shops you can exchange your money. They give the best prices. It doesn't matter if you go that one, it's all the same. But it's much better than upstairs, there you pay much more. Now we are in the taxi to the hotel. I think 20 minutes or something we are there. Better than with the metro train. We left our luggage at the lobby here. We have to wait 1.5 hours. and then our room is ready. But we have to get some things. I need to get shoes, and I then need to get the nails done. And I know, because I've been before in this hotel, there's a nail lady here at the corner. I don't know if she's open. Yeah, she's open. We're going to check.
We are in your favorite place.
Yes, I feel at home here. Here, big one.
Okay.
Again.
Not too much ice for me.
This is for you.
No, for you. I don't like too much ice.
Okay, this is for you.
What?
And then you go to this part. I always do this. It's coconut water. And then I mix with vitamin C. These two I put in there. That is very good.
Bueno.
What do you like? You can choose everything.
What other flavor there are?
You have this. You have passion fruit. Oh, it's also good. Maybe I like passion fruit. Yes, I'm going to do passion fruit. This is orange. You have lemon. You have lychee. Okay, you can try. This is coconut water with passion fruit, vitamin C. I don't know what the name is. Not good? Why not? It's my favorite.
It's too sweet. Too sweet.
Oh,
This is how many calories have?
I bought some things in the 7-Eleven. She is doing her nails now. I'm now going back. I think she's almost finished. Then we're going to do a siesta because we didn't sleep this night. And tonight we have a New Year party. And dinner and I don't know. There she is. Okay, she's finally ready. We can go to the room and do a siesta. We are broken.
Really tired. Really tired.
Okay, we are ready. Ashelen has a nice white dress for a New Year's party. I'm also in white. So we are both in white tonight. And we have tickets because we booked a dinner here at the rooftop bar at the pool. There's live music, so very nice. We're going to check now. This was at our table. We are lucky that we booked because everything is full. I show you a view.
So we can keep it everyone we defeat.
We're going for a small walk. What do you do? We have that on camera. Outside. Going to check across the street. There's a lot of fruit and other things they sell. We're going to check and then we walk back later. Fresh. Very fresh, huh?
More fresh. Too fresh for me.
But you cannot say the food is not fresh.
That fish is from the canal.
Yeah, maybe yes. Yeah. If you eat, you die. The canal is really dirty. But I don't know if they're from there, but I think yes.
Huh.
Chicken. far away, and this camera has not a good zoom.
Yeah.
But we can see it. Happy New Year! We are back at the hotel. It's time to end the video.
Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a new video.
Bye!